Hello and welcome to 27 Fox Place. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing the first in a series of videos that will show you how I divide my cleaning over the span of a week so I'm not left trying to accomplish everything in one day. In addition to my daily routine, I generally try and break my cleaning into either tasks or zones that I can easily finish within 20 or 30 minutes each day. Today is the day I work on dusting, and I use a duster along with a microfiber cloth to quickly go over all of the surfaces as I make my way through each room of the house. In addition to this weekly schedule, I also use zone cleaning as part of my deep cleaning routine. Each week I will try and deep clean one room as part of a rotating schedule. I found this strategy works well to keep my house from getting too out of hand. I like to start the week out with dusting because it's the easiest and because it's also the most neglected task. These jars contain all the flowers my husband has given me since we first met. I cut off the heads of the flowers and leave them in a basket to dry before I add them to the jars. Of course, I had no idea when I first started this that I would end up with so many jars. As you'll see in a minute, the duster does a great job of picking up dust. It uses static electricity to attract and hold the dust, and the larger surface area makes the job go more quickly. Today I was too lazy to get out the vacuum, so I'm just going to give it a good shake and release the dust I've collected so far.
Wanna be
course, I wipe down the tabletop every time we use it, but once a week I like to wipe down the rest of the table as well. Because of the manufacturer recommendations, I don't use any cleaning products, so I just use a damp cloth or sponge to keep the grime from building up. Even though it's impossible to keep this door clean for more than a minute, I still clean the glass at least once a week. At least this way I'm still able to see through the glass. That's all for today's video. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you liked watching this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe so you don't miss the next one.